Hey everyone, so I want to take a moment to share with you how to convert between scientific notation and real numbers. So we're going to start with this example of the speed of light, 3.00 times 10 raised to the 8th meters per second. Alright, so we are starting in scientific notation and we're going to go to a real number. Now, there's a few parts I want to point out. We have our digit in front, or to the left of the decimal point, and we have our exponent. Alright, so those are going to be really important as we convert. Now I'm going to start with that first number in front of the decimal point. And now that exponent of 8 tells me the number of zeros or moves of the decimal I need to make. So right now the decimal is currently right there after the 3. I need to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So now we'll be here. I'm going to go ahead and erase it from here. And now I will fill in zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then go back and add my commas. There's 1 there, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I've got my final number. Go ahead and erase that, clean it up a little bit. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Alright, and my final number is 300 million. Alright, now if I want to go from the real number to scientific notation, well, let's do it. Get a clean canvas here. Alright, so if we were starting with that number 300 million. In order to go to scientific notation, well, I need to figure out a few things. That decimal is here right now, and I want it to be here. So I want to take that decimal and move it there. So I'm going to write 3 decimal, and now I'm going to go ahead and add a couple zeros after the number, or after the decimal point. And scientific notation is always a number in front of the decimal, followed by at least one number after. In this case, we have 2. Times 10 raised to some exponent. Now that exponent comes from here. How many places did we move the zero or the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We moved it 8 times. And so my exponent is 8. I was starting with a very large number that was greater than 1. So that means my exponent equals a positive exponent.